Now the next question is observe the pattern and answer the question. So here we have 1, 3 equals to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. So this is first two odd numbers. So you are getting answer 4. This can be done by 2 into 2. 2 into 2 will give you the same result. And here 1, 2, 3. You are getting 9. So you can write as 3 into 3, that is 9. For first 4, you can write 4 into 4. And first 5, you can write 5 into 5. Isn't so? So the first question, here we have what is the sum of first 8 odd numbers? So 8 into 8 will give you 64. So the answer is 64, right? For the what is the sum of first 10 odd numbers? So 10 into 10 is equals to 100, isn't so? Now how many odd numbers are added? Here we have to find the sum, and here we have to find the number of odd numbers to get 81. So 81 is what? Here we have 64 and number of terms are 8. So we want 81, and now we have to find how many numbers, odd numbers are there. So 9 9s are 81. So 9 odd numbers. First 9 odd numbers. Isn't so? Now for finding the sum, how many odd numbers are added to get 144? So first 12 odd numbers. Odd numbers. Is that clear? Next question. Observe the pattern and answer the following question. Here the pattern is given. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The sum of first 10 consecutive number is 55. And if you see 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, the sum is 155. Why it is 155? See, everywhere the tens place is 1. Now in the third one, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, we have in tens place we have 2. So the answer is 255. Now we have to write the next 3 rows of the pattern. So what will be the first row? That is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Here we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. The sum of first row will be 355. Sum of second row will be 455. Third row will be 555. Is that clear? So we can write this as sum. Sum you can write. This is 355. Why it is 355? Because tens place is 3. Here 455. Why it is? Because 4 is in tens place. Here 555. Sum is 555. So why it is 555? Because tens place is 5. sorry, this is 59. This is 59. Is that clear? So now the second question is write a row of a pattern which gives the sum as 755. So you know how to write the row which gives you 755. So in tens place, everywhere 7 should be there. So here we have 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. You will get 755 as a sum. Is that clear? Now the third question is write the ninth row of the pattern. So what will be the ninth row? See, first row we have in first row. This is first row. This is second row. This is third row. See, for second, the tens place is 1. For third, tens place is 2. And we have to write the ninth row. So we have to write 81, 82, 83, 84. So like this, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So this you will get as a ninth row. Next question, observe the pattern and answer the question. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 consecutive number. Answer is 15. So here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 20. Can you find by which number we will multiply the middle number to get 20, middle number to get 15? So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and here 5 6 are 30. So we are getting, how you are getting 15? So 15 comes from 3, that is middle number, and we have to multiply by 5. Here the middle number is 4 and you are multiplying by 5. Now here we have 5 and we have to multiply it by 5 to get this number. Now in the last we have 6. So 6 multiplied by 5 you will get 30. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Is that clear? By which number should we multiply the middle number to get the sum? So we have to multiply by 5. By 5 we have to multiply. Now write the row of the pattern which gives the sum 50. So sum is 50. So definitely the middle number must be 5 tens are 50. So 10 should be the middle number. So go back 2 numbers, that is, this is 9 and this is 8. And go forward 2 numbers, that is 11 and 12. So this will give you the sum 50. Isn't so? Now the third, can you write the row of the pattern which gives the sum 46? No. Why it is? Because we can't get 46 in the table of 5. So the answer is no. We can't get 46, but we are getting 9 5s are 45, not 46. Right? Not 46. So we can't write any row. Is that clear? Okay, next question. Observe the pattern and write the next 3 steps. So we have 1 1 1 in this section, 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4. We have 3 6 9 12. this is the table of 3, and you are getting the answer same, that is 37. So the next, if you want to write next 3 steps, so we have last 4, 4, 4 and 12. So we can write 5, 5, 5 multiplied by, okay, write first here 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. Okay, now here 3, 3 2 is 6, this is a 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. So 5 is here. You can say the table from here only. 3 5 is 15, and 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, and all will have the same result, that is 37. 37. Is that clear? Next question, observe the pattern and write the next 3 steps. Here we have consecutive numbers, but the bigger number will be first, then the lesser number. So here the greater number is 2, 2 into 2, and lesser number is 1 into 1, 3 into 3, 2 into 2. And the result you are getting 2 plus 1, that is 3. Here 2 from this side and 1 from this side. 3, 2, 3 plus 2, the sum is 5. 4 and 3, 4 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we have to write the next 3 numbers. So we have already done with 5 and 4. So we'll go for 6 and 5. So 6, the bigger number you will write first, 6 and 6 minus 5 and 5, you will get 6 plus 5, that is 11. Is that clear? Now next is 7 and 6 and 7. So 7 into 7 minus 6 into 6, you will get 7 plus 6, that is 13. Now we have 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 8, 7 into 7. We have 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Is that clear? Now next question, look at each of the pattern below. Draw the next 2 steps of each pattern. Write how many shapes will be in the 8th and 10th step. Now see, we have how many dots we have? Here 1, here 2, here 3, here here we have, see, the first part, if you see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So here the dots will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, you will go till here, then 1 step down. Yes. Now this one is 6, so you have to make 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now leave 1, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, then 1. So you will get 6. Here you can make the figure like this. Now how many figures are there in this? See, we have 1, here we have 3, then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So check what is the gap between this. What is the difference? We have 2 here, we have 3 here, we have 4 here, then definitely next will be 5. So the shapes will have how many dots will you will have? So 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that clear? Now this will be 6. So 6 plus 15 is 21. So 21. So here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next will be 7. So if you add 7, you will get, if you add 21 plus 7, that means you have 28. Then 28 plus 8, you will get 8 plus 8, 16, 36. So in 8th step, first step 1, second step 2, third step 3, fourth step third step 6, fourth step 10, fifth step 15, sixth step 21, seventh step 28, eighth step 36. So you will have 36 dots in 8th step. Now for 10th step, go for 9. 36 plus 9, you will get 9 plus 6 is what? 5, 45. Now 45 plus 10, you will get 55. So 55 is here. Is that clear? Now the second question, we have total here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is total here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is total. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is here. If you see the gap, see the difference. Here we have difference 3. Here we have difference 3. Here we have difference 3. So everywhere the difference is 3. We have to add 3 here. Plus add 3. 14 plus 3 is what? 14 plus 3 is 17. So now how you will make this figure? See here we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is 6. Now we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the top, you will make this, like this. Right? Now again you have to add 3. That is 20. And we have 7 here. So 8 you have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we are getting 20 dots over here. Now we have to find what is the step, what is the 8th step, how many dots will be there in 8th step, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th step is complete. Now 6. 7th step. So 20 plus 3 is 23. 23. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7th. This is 8th. 8th step 3. 26. 9th. 26 plus 3 is 29. 10th step is 29 plus 3 is equals to 30, 32. So 8th step you will have 26 and on 10th step you will have 32. Is that clear? Now one more last question, that is here how many triangles are there? This is 1. How many triangles? 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 triangles are here. So if you check the difference, we have here 3. The difference is 3. What is the difference here? Is 5. Now here the difference is 7. So check 3, 3, 5, 7. These are what? Odd numbers. So next number will be 3, 5, 7, 9 will be there. So 9 plus 16 is 25. And here we have 9, then 11. So 11 will be 36. Right. Now how you will make this? This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1. This is 3. This is 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So definitely this is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now carry on the top. You will make here, just start with this. Now here, now here, now here, like this. This way you have to make here also. We have to make here 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11, 10, 9, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, odd numbers you will make. So this is 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Like this you will carry on. So we have to find out the 8th step. How many triangles will be there in 8th step? So we have here 1, here 4, here 9, here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 7th one is 36 plus next odd number 11 is 13. After 11 is 13. So the answer will be 49. 8th is 49 plus next 15. So this is 4. 9 plus 5 is 4. 1, 4, 5, 6. 8th. 9th will be 64 plus 17. 7 plus 4 is 1. 7 plus 4, 11. 1, 6, 7, 8. 81. And 10th will be 81 plus 19. That is equals to 100, I think. 9 plus 1 is 0. And 1, 1. Yes, 100. So the 8th step you have 64 triangles, and in 10th step you will have 100 triangles. Is that clear? So for the timing, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, God bless you all.